Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make these beautiful chicken pies that are just perfect for breakfast or even served as a snack or when you have guests. They're super simple and the ingredients are pretty easy, something you can basically find in your home. So I'm using mushrooms, potatoes, chicken breast, carrots and some spring onions as well as tomato paste. So as I begin, I'm going to be using my food processor and I'm just going to put in my chicken breast pieces that I cut up into cubes, and then I'm just going to run it through the food processor so that it can be smooth and so that I can get some minced meat since I didn't have any. What you can do to make this process simple, you can basically boil your chicken first, then run it through the food processor, and you'll also get something really good out of the chicken. So the chicken is ready and that's how it should be looking. I'm now going to put in some vegetable oil onto a pan and start cooking it and add in all the other ingredients and my spices as well. So once the chicken stuffing is ready, I'm going to add in my mushrooms and then I'll just stir it for a bit at the leeks as well. And then once it's ready, I'm now going to begin making my dough for the chicken pie. For my dough, I'll begin by adding about 5 to 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and then I will add in some butter. Lots and lots of butter make the dough really nice. For the pastry, and then I'm going to add in about 3/4 cups of milk. It doesn't have to be room temperature, it can be cold, but best preferred cold. So I'll knead my dough for about 5-10 minutes and I'll now roll it out into balls and flatten it. Then I'll add in my stuffing and we're ready to heat the oven. So once they're ready, I'm now going to layer them onto a sheet pan and I'm gonna be putting some baking paper so that they don't stick onto the pan. And then I'm just going to paste some egg wash and Egg wash is just basically egg and salt mixed together, but in this case I didn't put salt. Then I'm now going to put them into the oven and give them a few minutes at 180 degrees, about 30 minutes or so. They'll be ready. So that's how they'll be looking once they're ready. They're super delicious. I wish you could just see the inside. It was really good and melting in my mouth. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my video. For now, bye bye.